welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I built this firewood shed. I'm just using 8-foot long landscaping timbers here for the posts, as well as some reclaimed 2x6s and 5/4 board for the walls. One of the cool things about this project is it's all rough carpentry, so nothing has to be exact, and any basic saw should do the trick, making it a great project for even you new DIYers. This is just an old piece of aluminum I've had laying around, but a piece of galvanized roofing would work just as well. Well, there's the finished product. Now just to split some wood and fill it up. Well, maybe we'll do that another day.